Agriculture science is no longer just someone going into the farming field. You have biotechnology, you have people who are working to become doctors, veterinarians, the medical field on the side of pharmaceuticals.
And I've had all 4 years of ag science. My first 2 years were regular ag, my third year was plant science, and then this year is veterinary science. When you're out either handling the chickens, or you're transplanting plants, or you're doing like the sutures we did yesterday, you're learning hands-on skills rather than paperwork skills and trying to memorize stuff.
Having classes like agriculture give these students an idea of, oh, I do kind of enjoy this topic, maybe I'll pursue this. It just gives them an option and an idea, and it also gets them excited to show up for school because they know they're going into a class that they truly enjoy. When I was in high school, I took ag science here. The skills and the leadership that I gained from that experience have helped me go so much further in life.
All the people we get to meet and the things we do, I mean, it's not really just about competing, it's meeting those people and making those connections, because these connections will stay with you throughout your whole life.
Being in this program has changed everything for me. I can go up and talk to new people and meet new people and have new friends. And, I go to job interviews now and not be so nervous about it because I've learned to speak to people.
It's definitely a big commitment, but it pays off in the end because you get to be part of a great experience and you get to make new friends and do things that a lot of people don't typically get to do.
This program teaches you life lessons that you will use outside of graduation and really drives to have well-rounded people.